Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write an agreement letter for house rent. What is an agreement letter for house rent? A letter agreement for house rent is a written legal document that is made between two parties, the homeowner and the one who rent the house. Both parties want a simple way to make their discussions of a transaction official. An agreement letter is binding by the law and can technically be written by just about anybody. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write an agreement letter for house rent step by step. Check this out. First of all, write your contact information. You need to write down your full name and write your current home address. After that, you can write the date of the letter. In this example is August 21, 2023. If you have done, write the information about the recipient. Here, the recipient is the homeowner. So, you need to write the full name. And write the home address. It is highly recommended to include the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. And you may open this agreement letter with a greeting like Dear Mr. or Ms. or Mrs., followed by the last name of the recipient. In the first paragraph, write the reason why you are writing this letter. In this example, the letter functions as a notice that you have received a copy of the property lease agreement. And you can say how you feel about it. Since you want to build good relationship with the house owner, you can do this. You can show how delighted you are with the agreement. And you can also write how you have been looking for a perfect deal these months. In short, you can show your gratitude here about the house rent agreement. Don't forget to say thank you. In the second paragraph, you can write a bit about the agreement. This is also a confirmation that you have read and understood and signed the agreement. For example, you can say you are satisfied with the house rent fee in a certain amount of money. And write also that you are glad that the agreement has no terms and conditions. This is for the sake of confirmation just in case the homeowner forget to put them inside the agreement. And this can be a kind reminder too, so, in the future, you won't get a problem. Since you agreed to the house rent deal, you need to show positivity. And write some promises that you will pay the rent in time. Promise you will not cause any trouble in the future. Indeed, this is not a must but highly recommended. It will bring positive vibes for both you and the homeowner. And the third paragraph, write your hope that you can renew the contract once it is ended in the future. That's the reason why you show your excitement in the previous paragraphs. It is to show and convince the owner that his or her house is in good hands. And finally, close the letter by saying thank you. Write sincerely or best regards. Put your signature and your full name under it. So, that's how you write an agreement letter for house rent step by step. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.